Okay, final problem we're gonna do today. 9 is 30% of what number? And again, I wanna think, do I have parts? Do I have wholes? What information are they giving me? Well, 9 is gonna be part of a number. 30% is part of a whole. So I have two parts here. I don't know what the whole is. I don't know what the total is. So I have to take this information and I have to present it in a way that I can figure out what is the total number that I'm talking about. And because my brain likes to deal in tens, what I think is easiest for me is to draw a picture, a bar, and to divide it into 10 chunks. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just to double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that always happens. I'm gonna erase this bottom one. There we go. So now I have 10, and I can think of this as 10%, and this is 10%, all the way up, because all of these 10 bars together is going to equal 100%. So each little bar, because there are 10 parts, equals 10%. Now, if I were to fill in 30%, that would be this one, and this one. I have 3 of these bars right here. I know that 30% is going to equal 9. It tells me that in the information on the problem. 30% equals 9. I can do another 30% here. And this 30% also equals 9. That's always going to be the same in this problem. And then finally, I can do this 30% here. This is going to equal 9. I do, however, have one part left over. I need to figure out how much goes in this square. Well, that's where I'm going to go back and I'm going to think, okay, if I have these 3 squares here, and I have 9, let's say I have 9 M&Ms, and I want to divide them evenly in these 3 squares, I'm going to start by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I divided my 9 M&Ms evenly in 3 squares, and I ended up with 3 M&Ms in each square. That means that in each of these, I can assume that there are 3. There's 3 M&Ms in each square, and this one is going to be the same thing. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And again here, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I know that in this last block, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. That's the pattern of this. Now what I need to do is I need to take all of my sections and I need to add it up. Just like if I were going to add up all of these 10% here, I would get 100%. I need to add up my 9, and my 9, that's 18, plus another 9, that's 27, plus 3, that's 30. So 9 is 30% of what number? 9 is 30% of 30.